This is a 2017 Ford F-450 Lariat Super Crew dually, black over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, home link for your garage door, upfitter switches, navigation, electronic climate control, heated and cooled seats, power moonroof. Let's look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, power sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine, so it's got lots of torque. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.